Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and today we're going to apply to Dollar General. So the first thing we're going to do is go to dollargeneral.com, and then on the top you'll see careers. You're going to click on careers. You can scroll down and you can read through the various jobs that they're being offered. They have retail jobs. Here's for the distribution center jobs, fleet jobs, corporate. They even have an assistant over here. I just see the chat box, which is nice. So I'm going to close out of that because we're not going to use that. And we're going to click under retail jobs. We're going to click search jobs. Now there's the map, a day in the life. So you can read through the different store training for the manager, lead sales associate, assistant store manager, being a district manager. You can scroll down as far as starting here as a sales associate, and then you can work your way up to the district manager. All right, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so we are going to find your opportunity. You're going to click on that. And now we're going to search our zip code. So we always focus on Mount Vernon, so 10552. And then you're going to click on search. "10552". Naples, New York. Where is that? I don't want 10552. All right, let's just do New York. All right, let's try Mount Vernon, New York. Okay, so that worked. So sometimes, even if you do a specific zip code, they really wanted the city and state. Okay, so make sure they have one. I don't see the zip codes here, but I do see Assistant Store Manager in Mount Vernon, New York as S19009. That's not a zip code, but, and then they have Lead Sales Associate at Mount Vernon, and then they have another Sales Associate at Mount Vernon. So one is full-time, the other one is, looks like a part-time, and this is Lead Sales Associate part-time. So obviously we're not going to be a lead. We'll probably start off with a Sales Associate. This is our first, oh, here's the zip, 10553. So we use 10552. I would just type your city and then your state. All right, we're gonna click on Sales Associate in Mount Vernon. That's second one down. Okay, here's the company overview, job details. We have a lot of job duties. All right, so we're gonna unload trucks, follow company work process to receive, open, and unpack cartons and totes, store merchandise into the stock room, move directly to the sales floor, build the merchandise displays. We're going to stock the merchandise, restock it, assist customers by locating merchandise, greet them, comply with the policies, collect payment. So this job looks like they do a lot. So with that, because some retail companies, you have like, I don't know, for example, Home Depot, you have certain individuals unloading trucks. So you're never going to unload trucks if you're working up front greeting customers and operating the cash register. So this one, because Dollar General is a little bit smaller than the Home Depot, you're expected to do a little bit more. So you see these job duties, collect payment. So sometimes I know students, they don't want to deal with technology. They don't want to answer phones. They don't want to be on the cash register. They just want to stock. So you probably just want to look for not really a sales associate job, but just specifically someone who's maybe like a stock associate. So that would be more of your title. So read through the duties. You're also cleaning, sidewalk displays, front end help set up. Okay. Ordering merchandise, using handheld scanners as needed. All right. So qualifications. Does it say what age? High school diploma. All right. They prefer that. It doesn't say you need it. And I don't see the age as far as 16, 17, 18. So we're just going to assume 16 is okay. Effective interpersonal and oral communication skills. Relocation assistance not available. All right. The pay range. So $16. All right. So we're going to click on apply for this job online. We're going to plug in our email. We're going to scroll down. And this looks very similar to another application we just did. Right? You guys remember this? So there's like Google, you can link it. So what I did is I just kind of typed everything, or we can upload a resume. So this time I'm going to upload it because I know it's saved on my computer. So I'm going to click on my computer. I'm going to go to my documents, and I just saved it as a PDF file. So it's going to upload. All I need to do is put a password. First name, last name, punctuation looks good. I got the correct email. I have my phone number. I have my address. Which state do you live in? I live in New York. Birth month. All right, so this is actually asking, and it is in red, for your social security number. I don't like giving my, and I don't even advise you to put your real social security. You could put something similar, but just have like a digit off. And this way, when they do call you in, you can let them know, like, hey, I didn't put my social security number. I put, this type of number in there. I just wanted to let you know. I don't feel comfortable, but here is my social security card, once you do get hired. So entirely up to you if you feel comfortable. Put your and I'm recording this as well, so I'm not going to be putting my personal information. All right, availability, part-time. This is nice because it says any part-time, days, nights. So we're going to pretend we're in school and we're athletes, so we can just do part-time weekends. How much retail? None. This is my first job. Will be. So this is, that's NA. Most recent employment. This doesn't apply to us. NA doesn't apply to us. And I certify that this is correct. Save and continue. Are you legally authorized to work for any employer in the United States? Yes. Are you 18 years of age or older? So we're going to put no. If you are 16 years of age or older and applying in, so certain states, Georgia, Okay, excuse me. Are you 18 years of age or older? Answer yes if you are 16 years old or older and are applying in one of those states. So we are not. Additionally, answer yes if you are 14 years old or older and applying to work in Michigan. So it's different states are different. So we are not. And we don't live in any one of these states. So let's see what happens. We're going to hit submit because we might very well have to be 18 for this job. So we'll see. Sales associate. Please click here to complete this questionnaire. Let's click on that. Take survey. Are you under age 40? Yes. All right, so it looks like we have to put our date of birth. So if I put April 10th, so that would make us 16. No, we've never worked for this company. Are you currently unemployed or were you unemployed immediately before? No. Now, if you don't know if your family receives any of this assistance, just put unsure. Unsure or no if you know. No, no. Next. No. All right, so it looks like we had to do that tax credit questionnaire. And now what happened? Are we done? Dashboard. This was odd. I'm not qualified. All right, so something happened. I guess because maybe we're not 18. So I think that's what happened. So let's kind of go to work with us, retail, and let's read through and let's see if it says anything about age as far as sales associate. Nope, nothing there. Nothing there. Applicant instructions. Let's see, take a look at the facts. Store, okay. So it looks like there is an assessment when you do get through. All right, let's see. So I don't see anything about age. How to apply. So here's step-by-step instructions on how to apply. All right, so we're gonna get out of that. Hi guys, okay, this is part 2. We are going to apply now as an 18-year-old. All right, so we are the same website, careers. We are going to search jobs. Now we remember the first time, and it even says type your city and state. So we are going to type Mount Vernon, New York. And we're going to look for that same sales associate part-time position. This doesn't say part-time, this was full-time. Let's just go with that. And then to the right, we're gonna apply for this job online. All right, we're gonna plug in our email address. Now, since we did this before, we're just going to, I'm gonna log in. If I remember my password. Maybe I don't. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we did submit. So let's say we're going to dashboard, update your profile. So all we got to do is change our date of birth. Wasn't in the date of birth. I believe it was those questions where it asked us our age. All right, so we're going to save and continue. That was our profile. View candidate questions. I believe it was under that. So yes, are you 18? Right here, 18 years old or older? Yes. So now we're going to submit it. All right, now, is there more? Let's see. Thank you for the update. Let's refresh. Can we still apply now? Withdraw to reapply. Okay, so we're gonna click on that. Perfect, so now we can apply again. I should have done that first, so we're going to click on it, click on apply. We're going to click here to complete our questionnaire. Okay, it might be easy. Maybe it'll just take us to the test. Oh, that's it. Oh, we just applied. So I guess there really isn't a test. I thought there was going to be a test. So I think that application, let's go to the dashboard, was submitted. Received submission. Yes, it was. So it was submitted without any sort of test, which was good. So we'll see what happens. All right, sounds good. So to do that, it looks like it's a very easy application as well. So Dollar General, you got to be 18 to apply. And looking at it, I don't see any kind of other test. So it's just an easy resume upload or just plug in your information and then submit. All right, till next time. Thanks for watching.